One of the most important aspects to detailing your vehicle is cleaning the wheels. They are the thing that get the most dirty on your whole car. So regular maintenance and cleaning on your wheels is extremely important. You want to use a dedicated cleaner like the POR-15 wheel cleaner. POR wheel cleaner is a strong cleaner and surfactant that has thioglycolate in it. Thioglycolate is a raw material that actually breaks down metallic brake dust and makes cleaning your wheels extremely easy. One thing you'll notice with the POR-15 wheel cleaner is it will turn the brake dust, the caked on brake dust on your wheel, purple. That is actually the thioglycolate reacting with the metallic brake dust particles on your wheel. Another key feature to the POR-15 wheel cleaner is it is a thick formula. So when you spray this out onto the wheel, you'll see it sort of sticks to the surface and allows the product to dwell and work for a longer time, making it a more effective cleaner. To use the POR-15 wheel cleaner, you simply want to rinse your wheels first. What that's gonna help do is cool your wheels down a little bit. Make sure that you're not cleaning your wheels with this product when your wheels are hot to the touch. You rinse your wheels first, then you take the POR-15 wheel cleaner, you spray it directly onto the wheel. I'm trying to get this in all the different cracks and crevices, and I'm also gonna spray it into the barrel of the wheel because we're actually gonna clean inside there as well. Don't forget your calipers and the face. So, as you can see, it instantly starts turning purple. Now, on a car that doesn't have performance brakes or ceramic brakes, you won't see it turn purple. That doesn't mean that the wheel cleaner is not working. It just means that it doesn't have any metallic brake dust on the wheel. The surfactant in this is still gonna make cleaning your wheels extremely effective. Now, once you've sprayed the POR-15 wheel cleaner onto the surface, you're gonna use a brush. Make sure you have a bucket with some clean water in it. And we're gonna go ahead and we're going to agitate the wheel cleaner and the brake dust. And we're gonna thoroughly clean these wheels. We don't recommend spraying the wheel cleaner on, letting it sit, and then rinsing off. Another thing, you do not want the wheel cleaner to dry on the surface. That's why we like to rinse the wheels first, then spray the wheel cleaner on, then agitate, and then we'll rinse off after. It's time to rinse, and you'll see how perfectly clean these wheels are now. Now, as you can see, the nasty caked on brake dust is now off of the wheel and it's looking perfect. POR-15 wheel cleaner is great for aluminum, alloy, chrome, powder coated, and clear coated wheels. POR-15 wheel cleaner is the ultimate wheel cleaner to remove stubborn brake dust and make your wheels cleaner than ever.